Hey guys, it's me, Stace. As you can see, today we were in the kitchen. This is not a Pinterest-inspired project. This is just a recipe I want to share with you guys. We're making chicken fried rice. Now, I made this recipe plenty of times, and it comes out really, really good. I don't add the chicken to it. Today, though, we're not doing chicken, and we're also not doing rice. We're going to be using cauliflower instead. So I have my pan preheated. We're going to go ahead and add to that 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. The other thing I don't have is carrots. But I think with the fried rice, you can make it pretty much any way you like. Alright, so we're going to let that heat up. And we're going to add the onion, which I'm leaving out, the garlic, which I'm leaving out, the peas. We're going to go ahead and add those in there. That was just a half a cup of frozen peas. I'm going to just let them go for a few minutes. And I have my burner on medium heat, like a medium high. Alright, now we're going to go ahead to that. We're going to add the eggs. It calls for 2 eggs. I'm using 4. I'm actually going to scooch all of my peas to the other side. And add our eggs one at a time. They're not scrambled. We're just going to kind of cook those on the side here. Yeah, I've never had a cauliflower rice, and I had a bag of frozen cauliflower and I just grated it. Alright, so there's 1 egg in there. Let's go ahead and add in the other egg. And you can add as many eggs as you like, or as much chicken, or as many peas. I mean, you can really make this your own. I think it's the sesame oil that gives it that fried rice flavor. And hubby's not here, he's at work. We're going to have this tonight with dinner. We're having chicken. That's why I'm not adding chicken to it. Alright, let's do our other egg. You want to do them one at a time. I think he's a little bit nervous. I am too with the cauliflower. We both love the cauliflower, but as far as having as a rice, I'm not sure. But I have heard some really good things about cauliflower rice, you know, the cauliflower pizza crust. So hopefully this turns out good. And again, like I said, I did use a frozen bag of cauliflower. I let it thaw out in the fridge overnight. Then I grated it. Then I squeezed all the water out of it. All right, our last egg. Then we're going to add the rice, or the cauliflower in this case. So leave me a comment below. Have you guys tried cauliflower rice? Do you like it? Have you tried the cauliflower crusted pizzas? I'm going to bring some of those peas back in over here. I think I'm going to miss the carrots, but like I said, I don't have any carrots, and I wanted to make this real quickly just so I can try it. You can see it. You can still see some of the egg white has not cooked all the way, so you want to make sure all that's cooked before you go ahead and add your rice or the cauliflower. The recipe calls for 1 cup of cooked rice. I have maybe 2 cups of cauliflower. And it was a half a cup of frozen peas, and it was 4 carrots. You know, then onion and garlic. And we do love onion and garlic. We don't really cook with it too much because we usually give the girls part of our dinner. That's why we don't really cook with garlic and rice, or garlic and onion a lot. If I'm making like a Salisbury steak with an onion gravy, I'll make the girls a different dinner. Alright, let's go ahead and add in our cauliflower. I mean, it looks just like rice. Whether or not it's going to taste like rice, I don't know. We're just going to let this go, let it warm through. And then we're going to add the soy sauce to it. So the full recipe calls for 1 cup of rice, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, a half a cup of frozen peas, 4 carrots diced, 3 tablespoons or 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, and a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. But you want to let this all get nice and warm first. And you can see some of my cauliflower is not perfectly grated. You can see there's a big piece right there. I'm okay with that. Alright, let's go and add in the soy sauce. And this is a low sodium soy sauce. Just sprinkle that everywhere. And that's a 1/4 cup. And just let this cook a little bit. Make sure everything's mixed in with that soy sauce. Like I said, if you want to add broccoli to this, you can add pretty much any vegetable you like. Alright, so it looks like we're just about done. Just want it to heat through. Doesn't it look yummy? Alright, we're going to go and taste it. I did not add any salt or pepper, of course, because the soy sauce does have salt in it, but I might add a little bit of pepper. Let's go and add a little bit of pepper. We like pepper in this house. Alright, go ahead and mix that all the way through. I do think the cauliflower is a much better alternative than rice. Alright, I'm going to turn this off. Just mix it in there really good. Make sure all the cauliflower is coated with that soy sauce. And then we're going to come back and give it a taste and see what we think. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Alright guys, we are back with the rice. It looks really, really good. And we're going to go ahead and give it a taste. It's hot. It tastes really good. You don't even taste the cauliflower. I do think it's missing the carrots. That's really good. Cauliflower rice. Cauliflower fried rice. That's good. So from now on, when I make fried rice, this is a good alternative. See ya. I'll eat this whole thing. So leave me a comment below if you guys have made cauliflower rice. Do you prefer that over the white rice or the brown rice? We usually do eat the brown rice. It's a little bit healthier for you. This is good though. You don't even taste the difference between the cauliflower and the rice. It may be subtle, but really good. Thumbs up on this one. Like I said, not Pinterest inspired, just Stacy inspired. You know, with me on a weight loss journey, I thought this would be a better alternative than the white rice, which of course it is. Alright, there you have it guys. My plate's clean. I ate it all. Super good. Alright, I'll have the recipe below. Any questions, let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.